Howells carpet cleaning here again. We got ourselves a bit of commercial carpet cleaning to do here. We are at the administration office at Portland Bible College. So what we're going to be doing is our three-phase cleaning process. We're going to be vacuuming to get as much dry debris up as possible. Phase 2, we're going to be putting down our pre-spray solution along with a good scrub. And once that is down, we're going to go through it with a good hot water extraction and give it a steam out. So those three phases are what we're using to clean the carpets. They can be used in both residential and commercial carpet cleaning areas and situations, and it works very well. Okay, so now we are ready to move on to phase 2. Phase 2 is we're going to be doing a scrub, an application of pre-spray and a scrub using the 175. It depends on the carpeting surface as to the, I guess the, what's the word I'm looking for? The abrasiveness of the harshness of the friction and all that with the scrub that you want to do. However, this is commercial style carpeting, so this 175 is going to work great with the gray pad on there. Get a lot of good agitation, cause that soil suspension to occur. And we're going to go ahead and go through here right now. I do have a little bit of a leak. I needed a little part came loose, so I'm just going to wait until the solution tank gets emptied out, and then I'll just tighten things down and go from there. So we're just going to go through room by room right now, and we will apply a pre-spray solution, agitate it well. That will cause phase 2, the soil suspension process, to occur, and we'll move on from there. So we'll probably knock out 3 or 4 rooms at a time, and then switch back and forth between phase 2 and phase 3 with the hot water extraction. Alright, and so moving on to phase 3, we are doing the steam out, and as you can see, everything looks absolutely beautiful. It always does when you go through and do all the proper procedures, getting the carpets clean. Bam, 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 ABC, you do them all according to the IIRC. Boom, a rap song, and the carpets always turn out absolutely beautiful, you guys. So all you gotta do is get educated, take the course, learn the proper steps to take, and you just keep repeating it over and over with a few caveats here and there depending on a few little scenarios and variables there that you can work out pretty easily. So this has been done with agitation using again our 175. It came through, gave it a real good scrub, and then coming out and doing the steam out. Of course, it always looks beautiful.